Can I have my chair? Can I have my chair? You want to see her eyes get really, really big? Watch this. Tiger cat. Tiger cat. Where's your cat? Tiger cat. Where's your cat? Where's your cat? Tiger cat. Yeah. She's not sleepy now. She's not sleepy now. She's not going to give up the chair. She says, I know you tricked me. You did this before. You tricked me. You tricked me all the time, Mom. It's not very nice. It's not very nice, but I bet you fall for it again. Where's your cap, Tiger Cat? Where's your cap? Where's your cap, Tiger Cat? Where's your cap? Where's your cap? Oh, you're so cute. You are. Yes, you are. Okay. I stop teasing you. I stop. It's hard, but I will. I'll stop. Okay. Okay. Happy, happy kitty. Happy, happy. Where's she? Oh! She's a bunter. She buntered. She buntered her head. We'll have headache now. Uh-oh. I hear the thundering hooves in the background.